like, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel.
How to lose belly fat. Belly fat is the visceral fat that is underneath the muscles in your stomach. Visceral fat is unlike other types of fat because it is stored around the internal organs. Ingredients you need: cinnamon powder, 1 glass milk. Take a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Add this to your regular beverages like tea, milk or coffee. Stir this well and have this to reduce belly fat. Make this as a habit of drinking your beverages like tea, coffee or milk till you reduce your belly fat. Visit BillyHealth.com for more information on how to lose belly fat.